Hey everyone, this is Stan with Silk Plaster. Today I want to show you another wonderful job made in the restaurant called Silk. Well, let's just take a look. That's the interior as soon as you walk in. I cannot really disclose the address because the restaurant is not open yet. But yeah, this is product. What you see on the wall is made by the company Silk Plaster, which is a liquid wallpaper. The best part about it, that it conceals all the imperfections on the wall and give you the texture. I don't know if you can see it really. Right over here, just take a look. See all those glitters? All of that. Well, if you have any questions, feel free to visit silkplaster.us or give us a call, 212-207-0047. That was Stan with Silk Plaster. See you around.